To customize your lock screen in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. Select it and then click on your lock screen on the left side and then go to customize. Now you'll be able to customize a few different things. First thing is clock. So if we click on our clock right here, we'll be able to change and customize it. We can pick different font. We can change the time that will be displayed in minutes or hours, and we can also add different widgets beneath our clock. Next thing that we can do is click on those empty spaces right here. Those are additional widgets and your signature. So you can add your name right here or any text that you like, and it will be displayed on your lock screen. On the top there's also this small bar, and here you can apply one more widget, so choose whichever one you like as well. Finally, next thing is wallpaper. You can change wallpaper for your lock screen, and there's local photos, which allows you to pick your own photos. Then there's the preset photos that you can choose as well. Next thing is wallpaper effects. You can apply different effect filters to your lock screen. So just also pick, for example, this one, and then our lock screen will look like this. We also have font effects, which allows you to change the colors of the font for the clock and widgets, and there's also depth that you can activate if this feature can be applied, because sometimes some wallpapers won't allow it. Finally, make sure to click on apply, and there's one more thing that we can do. So let's go back to the main settings page, enter lock screen, and here in lock screen we can customize shortcuts. If you clicked on that, then you'll be able to change the shortcuts in the bottom left corner and bottom right corner. Just pick whichever ones you like or disable them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.